Hello. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure and honor for me to have such opportunity to share with you very briefly about the development of the Peking CAP programs. And I think the EAP is an abbreviation of the Education Abroad programs. So in the past several years, my university actually attached great importance to provide more and more chance and opportunities for students to go to study abroad. And our president, President Joe, he always says he has a dream. That is each Peking students should have at least one chance to go abroad during their studies at the university. So in the past several years, try to cultivate and provide more opportunities for the Peking students to go abroad has been one of the first priorities for my office, as well for the Peking internationalization. And to achieve that goal, I think 2 years ago, and in my office, I mean the Office of International Relations, we have established a special section, especially for the EAP program. And this chart, I think, to show you the number of the Peking students last year who had the chance to go abroad. So the total number is about 2,777. That accounts for roughly 8% of the total students number. And among the 2,700, 1,147 are the undergraduates, 655 are masters, and the 925 are PhD students. And among the total number of the outbound going students, the 27,000, I think roughly around the 1,100 students go abroad through the EAP programs. So my presentation will be in three parts. The first was about the programs, EAP programs at Peking, and the second part is about the EAP students of Peking University, and the last part will be the future vision of our EAP program. That's about how to improve the programs. So at Peking University, we're talking about the EAP program, includes the university level programs. It was directly involved and managed by my office. In addition, we also have the school and department level programs, because many of the schools and departments had their own EAP program, even have their own office for the EAP programs, like our School of the Business and Administration. They have the very large EAP programs. So for the students of that school, 100% of students have the opportunity to go abroad to study for some certain time during their studies at the university. We also have the students-run program, because in Peking University we have over 200 student organizations, and they have a lot of international collections with the students in the foreign countries, in different countries. So they also sometimes initiate some kind of the programs or collaborations with the counterparts in the foreign countries, so they can have the opportunity to have their own programs to go abroad or the mutual exchange. And finally, the program was sponsored by the government. It's called the China Scholarship Council Programs. And so that's the EAP programs in my university, some different levels and different kinds. And due to the limited time, and I would like to focus my presentation on the university level program, which was directly involved and managed by my office. For the university level program, last year we have the 82 semester-based exchange programs, and we have 23 winter or summer programs. And in addition, we have more than 10 overseas degree scholarship programs. That means, and each year we have the invitation from the foreign universities to ask us to nominate the master or PhD candidates who would like to pursue their further studies after their graduation. So we would like to nominate our candidates, and once their application was approved, these students would go to study abroad for further degrees with the full scholarship provided by foreign universities. So in the 82 exchange programs, you can see 20 of them are from or in the Europe, and the 25 from the Asia, and the 17 from the North America. For the summer and winter program, we see 12 programs. Actually, half of this kind of programs are in the North American, including States and Canada. And we have 5 programs, winter or summer programs from the Europe, and 5 more from the Asian countries. So for our students, I mean for the university level EAP programs, each year we'll have more than 600 quotas available for our students for application. And all these kind of EAP programs can be applied online. We have a special website to deal with or to receive all of these applications. And each year we have receive the application from the more than 1,000 students. And among them, over 50% of can be admitted into the programs. And all the applicants will have to be interviewed by a special screening committee in my university. The committee composed of my staff from the Office of International Relations, and we also have the people from the Office of Teaching and Academic Affairs. We also invite some of the foreign experts, foreign teachers, foreign experts, and to join this screening committee. Yes. And the students who participate in the EAP program, they also have a chance to get the scholarship. We have a special the scholarship funded for the subsidize the EAP programs. This kind of scholarship will provide from the year of 2010, and each year we have the 3 million RMB yuan ready and for the scholarship, and about the 150 quotas. That means about the 25% of the attendees of the program have the chance to win this scholarship. So for the future, and of course we need more to improve a lot about their EAP program so far. So I think in the 3 ways. And first is we need to create or to have more the opportunities, more EAP programs for our students, especially for this EAP program for the internship. So far we have very few EAP programs in that areas. So I think I was very impressed by the presentations by Yonsei yesterday morning, yes, because they have very strong internship program. So we need to have more EAP programs, especially more EAP programs in internship. And the second way, and I think we need more scholarship, because the EAP program, the cost of the EAP program is relatively high for the Chinese students, especially and around the 25 or to 30% of our students coming from the low-income families. So if they attend the program fully supported by themselves, that's quite difficult. So I think we need more scholarship to subsidize the students. And third way, we also need some establish some of the institutional support, including, we need to assure or improve our quality assurance of each programs, and we would like to try to combination and integration of the overseas alumni, because we have a lot of the alumni abroad in States, in Europe. So the alumni probably can help the students who attend the program in their countries, especially sometimes they can offer some internship opportunities for our students. And we need to improve our insurance service. So far, we only suggest all the EAP program participants, they buy the insurance by themselves. We suggest them to do so, but we don't know anything is enforcement. So in the future, we try to develop the insurance service for them. That means the university will provide the insurance for them. And finally, we need to improve our EAP program on the survey of the EAP programs, and according to the feedback of the partner institutions and the feedback from the EAP participants, we need to improve the programs accordingly. So that's a very brief introduction about the EAP program, Centennial University. And if you have any more questions, I would love to answer during the Q&A session. So I'd like to thank you all, and thank you for your attention. And especially here, I would like to take the opportunity to send my gratitude and thanks to KU, Kyoto University. Thank you.